front of the government, which by the way is the legal solution still across India. As of today, just forget Supreme Court judgment, which by the way was only locational specific to Delhi. It's not valid in Goa, it's not valid in Bombay, it's not valid anywhere else. It's only for Delhi. How many dogs do we have? 1.45 lakh dogs. How many are we sterilizing every year? Okay, 1.45 lakhs dogs. How many new puppies are born? On an average, we have a lot of animal experts in the room, 10,000, 15,000. Okay, so that's the increase of population. So we are basically sterilizing today only about 15 odd thousand dogs. So the original population still remains there. Who's going to create the infrastructure? Who's going to? Even the committees have not been created. RTI response from DOM, tell us what you have done as part of instructions given by State Monitoring Committee. We have a number of municipalities, I have all the data here. But essentially, out of these 13 odd municipalities, there are 2 or 3 municipalities that did about 1,000 odd sterilization over last 3 years in association with some of our NGOs. But again, nothing is done. Okay. Bottom line is, if we do nothing, nothing is going to happen. Where is the question of failure when we do nothing? Who is responsible for the creation of infrastructure for sterilization today? Is it NGOs? NGOs are running on donations. The line is, the law clearly states that it is government's responsibility to create local monitoring committees. It's right from the Supreme Court order to the law. And wherever in India it has happened, we have seen brilliant results. In Goa, we don't have luxury to make any statement without the documents backing it. Whatever I have read to you is from the information we have gotten through RTI. 3.5 year State Monitoring Committee has failed to constitute a taluka-wide level committee for even basic census of dogs.